If you have 4C hair, this video is for you, or you know someone else that does. You may want to watch this video till the end as well as save it for later use. I'm going to teach you how to make the easiest but richest homemade detangler and deep conditioner that your 4C hair will ever need. If you like recipes like this, hit that plus sign to follow and share to 5 people. Let's go. Do you know that every single thing that you eat that nourishes your body can as well be used on your hair to nourish your hair? I will teach you how a simple ingredient that is probably already in your kitchen can be used to nourish and grow your 4C hair. All you are going to be needing is one overripe avocado, one egg, one tablespoonful of mayonnaise. I prefer to use the homemade type of mayonnaise because it's free from all the preservatives and additives, but the store-bought type can also do. You're going to add a drizzle of your preferred oil. Here I used avocado oil. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and oil that deeply nourishes and hydrates your hair. It's packed with vitamin E, B, biotin, and prevents breakage. It improves your hair elasticity and protects it from damage. Egg contains keratin-forming protein which repairs damaged hair strands, adds shine and softens and reduces frizz. Mayonnaise on the other hand strengthens and deep conditions the hair as well as tames frizz and flyaways. Mash up all of these ingredients together and section your hair into 3 to 4 parts. Generously apply them into your hair and massage. Cover your hair with a plastic bag for about 30 to 45 minutes. After that, comb out your hair and watch how easily and tangle free your hair would comb out. Rinse out thoroughly. The only downside to this recipe is that it leaves your hair with particles from the avocado, but this can easily be removed using a wide tooth comb. Another way to prevent this from happening is to use a blender to achieve a smoother consistency. Now go in with your preferred leave-in conditioner and hair oil and comb your hair through and then watch how smooth and healthy your hair will become. Remember, it is always recommended to air dry your hair as against introducing heat to the hair by blow drying it. If you've made it to this point in this video, that is to say that you love this recipe, and if you like to see other DIY recipes and home remedies like this one, don't forget to follow, like and save this video for later use, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.